y'all seen the videos, I'm like, dude, if I'm gonna waste gas, it ain't gonna be, you know, to go.
Exactly.
It's gonna be to go somewhere where I really want to go, you know? I mean, I hate to be a pig, but, you know. I mean, I'll go to like a 15 or something, but a wedding has got to be somebody really, I mean, unless.
All right, now we got it washed down, so finna put some soap on it, clean it up real good, so we can go ahead and get ready with. You know how this shit works. But project's coming along now, finally. But we got this. All right, now we got it washed down, so finna put some soap on it, clean it up real good, so we can go ahead and get ready with. You know how this shit works. But project's coming along now, finally. But we got this. All right, so that's the final rinse. So we're gonna wash it one more time with soap, and then we're gonna start doing what we got to do to go ahead and get them ready. I know y'all ain't seen this though. The car been here fucking forever. Set up. And let's see if I can let you guys see some of this here. Ooh. Oh, is that an ADEX? Oh. Got the 3 in there. But you'll get a better vision because I got to redo all of this stuff anyway. So let me stop messing around and go ahead and get back to this so we get this damn car painted. Look at that. And I know all y'all been waiting on this one. I know y'all been waiting, but it's finally finna come to you. So I'm gonna have more updates, but let me go ahead and get started and I'll get you guys some more video of it. The motor finally cleaned out. That shit was looking ugly as hell. But Detoxx is coming, baby.
It's okay, but the only thing is that I don't like what they did with the fifth wheel. Where they put
Same
like
here.
Kind of like a speaker.
Unless you got a 64 SS
it has to be
convertible.
It has to be like a bomb or even a 58. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know. I mean, the bag would have to be on point. Never reach.